We do have a very reliable, safe and discreet automation for your sliding gate. The LiftMaster SLY300 is an extremely reliable and discreet automation for sliding gates up to 300 kilos. This product is a safe and low voltage product, which is very silent, robust, and stops automatically if it touches an obstacle. On top of that, the operator does not need any maintenance. The weight does not matter. The electronic system will make sure the gate will move with an incredible smoothness. On top of that, thanks to the photo cells, the automation will detect the obstacle before the impact. The automation recognizes the obstacle, stops, and returns to its original position. With LiftMaster, you will also enjoy numerous innovative accessories that will improve your life every day. Make the right choice with the world leader. Make the right choice with the SLY300 by LiftMaster.